Today I'm going to explain functions of commercial banks. So there are two types of functions which are performed by commercial banks: primary functions and secondary functions. Primary functions are again divided into two types. One is accepting deposits from public and lending funds to public. So if we get into the accepting deposits from public, so there are different types of deposits which are accepted by the banks from public in the form of different deposits. One is saving deposits. So these are usually saving deposits which are deposited by the account holders, whoever having the account with the bank. So those people will be saving some the money of their from their savings. So the bank will give interest to the customer for saving their savings with the bank. And there is another type, that is different time deposits. So these are time deposits issued for a prescribed time. So the interest rate is given by bank is a little bit higher than the saving deposits. So these deposits will be issued for a time period. So after completion of time period, the deposits will be given to the customers with the interest. And current deposits is a facility for the customers who are having more transactions per day. So these more transactions can be found with the business people. So the business people will be making current deposits to make transactions with the bank in a safe mode. So there will be some different payments receipts per day in a business. So those people will be using current deposits. And there is another type is recurring deposits. Recurring deposits, it is a facility for the customers to make savings with the bank in a regular intervals. Like the recurring deposits can be taken for monthly once, or monthly twice, or weekly once. So the customer can save his money for time to time with the bank to get interest and to get safe custody of the savings of the customers. So, and the another type of functions which are performed by bank is lending funds. So lending funds are different types. So in the form of loans. So if the customer approaching the bank for loan, by taking important documents and by analyzing the customer income, the bank will be issuing loans to the customer. So these loans are different types. There are property loans, home loans, interest loan, educational loans. There are different types of loans with which the customer can take from the bank. And the another type of funding facility is advances given to the customer if the customer approaching for different types of reasons, like establishing a company, establishing an industry. So the bank will be providing advances to the customers in the form of machinery, in the form of financial facilities, in the form of technology. So these are the advances which are given to the customer before going to start the business. So loans are given after establishment of industries or institutions or companies, but the advances are given to the customer before going to establishment of different types of companies or different types of industry. So there will be different types of advances, like venture capital, or the machinery, or the technology which can be provided to the customer if the customer unable to get the technology to operate or to establish in the company. So the bank will be giving different types of advances. And the other funding facility is cash credits are the other lending facility which is provided by banks. Are cash credits are most probably issued against goods. If the customer having goods and if he need money, so he can take cash credit against goods. So bank will be taking the assurance of good and issuing cash credit. So this facility is useful for the business people to use the money when they are when they are required. So they can withdraw money in installment method. When they need money, they can withdraw. So this cash credit facility is very useful for the business people, and which provides the businessman to make payments or to use the goods which is stored in the go down or in the storage. So the other facility is overdraft. Overdraft is issued or given on the current deposits. So this is the facility for the current account deposit holders only. So the overdraft facility provides to withdraw a limit amount over the limit of account. So that means if the current account limit is 1 lakh or 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs per day, so with the overdraft facility they can withdraw more than the limit of the current account. So this is the facility for the current account holders, which provides the which gives the facility to use more money if the current account holders doesn't have in their accounts. And the other function which is performed by banks is discounting bills. If the customer or if any person is coming to bank and he can discount the bill, the purchase bill or the other bills, so they can discount with the banks. So by providing the bill to the bank, so the bank will be taking some commission, and they will be discounting the bill. So this is the another function which is performed by bank. So let's get into the major functions of commercial banks after completion of primary functions. So we are getting into the secondary functions. So there are different types of functions and services which are provided and performed by the banks. So one is banks as an agent and general utility services. So if we discuss bank as an agent, so the bank will act as an agent on behalf of customer for different kind of transaction, for different kind of facilities, services. So from that, collecting bills is one of the service which is provided by bank as agent on behalf of customer. So if the customer has to collect any bills, so the bank will collect on behalf of customers. And if the customer has any drafts, so those drafts will also be collected and paid by the banks. And if any other check the customer has to receive or the customer has to deposit, the bank will deposit on behalf of the customers. And the other the function which is performed by bank as an agent is paying insurance premium of customer. So if the customer has any policies, general policy or LIC policy, if the customer has to pay the premium on intervals, if the customer is asking the bank to pay premium, so the bank will be paying premium on behalf of agent. And if the customer has to receive or the customer has to pay any rent, so the bank will be paying and receiving on behalf of customers. And if the customer also having any loan installments with another bank or with another any persons, so the bank will be paying on behalf of customer when the customer asks the bank to do those things on behalf of customer. And the other service or the other function is working as a representative of customer for purchasing and redeeming and selling and trading in the stock exchange for securities. And the bank will also prepare income tax returns on behalf of customers, and they will be claiming tax funds on behalf of customer. So the other services or other functions which are performed by the company in the form of secondary functions, that is general utility services. So issuing traveler checks. So the customer needs if if the customer is traveling from one place to another place, the bank will be issuing a traveler check, which is useful for the customer. If any kind of loss, if any kind of misplacement happens, the bank will be having assurance on behalf of customers. So the other facility which is provided with the other function or services which is provided by the bank for the customer is locker facility. If the customer has any locker, any valuable things which he has to keep safe, so he can keep safe with the bank lockers. So the bank locker provides security for the valuable things, valuable documents of customers. So these are the functions which are performed by bank in different times, in different areas, in different places. So thank you.